Omunyeshengerokazi ahabwa Hoima City Nancy Nyakato n'omwe abantu abarugireyo bakabasa kuherezayo eshagama. Kwiha blood bank eji ehebwayo omubutongore ahirware rikuru erya Hoima omukwezi kwa 11 mwaka ogwire bwatiri majangu batungira abantu 25 abari kwija okuherezayo eshagama. Mwabazi ogwanye mwabazi batungire abantu 15 abaye bari muna n'omunyeshengerokazi Nancy Nyakato. Ababa basize kutunga units igana z'eshagama omukwerezayo eshagama okukozire.
Tana pebe nungi munu post we have 2 donation points. Kemebe jana wakasingwe ndi Katari Central Market. So far we can see over 200 plus people were donating ila wakasingwe. And kuna Central Market so far Yetana is so big.
Omunyeshengerokazi wa Hoima City ahijire abebembezi hamwe n'abandi bantu okugumanibaza aha blood bank bakaherezayo eshagama okugira ngo base kutambira amagara g'abakazi ahamwe n'abana.
Today I have officially launched the blood donation at this facility, and I continue to call upon you, but also call upon leaders to mobilize our people, but also the people to mobilize themselves, because if you donate blood, you will have saved the life.
Nagirangu okwaye eshagama ombantu abakuru kiri kubi munonga ari kugira ngo hashemerire kugira ecyakora kwena ngo n'abana babase kubareberaho.
Kandi singoge umusayura we musajja muri mukazi osobola kutasa omumezi bomukazi omu owenda akotaga omusayinda ko bleeding and depending on the uses zako mwetagisa.
Henry Benda oli regional coordinator wa blood transfusion services nahiga abantu omuri Hoima okugumanibaza aha mwanya ogu okwerezayo eshagama ahabwire bona.
Eshagama yako hayo negenda kuyamba abantu abali mu Hoima kandi kintu kino kishimire muno.
Nagirango bwahati bachine ekizibu ekyo kubura abantu bokwayo eshagama ombwire abakugira ngo bwahata abana b'amashomero bari ombihumuro.
Majorly here in Uganda we depend on schools. Our communities sometimes are busy. We have just finished our festival season and the numbers of people who are participating in blood donations, the numbers are very, very few.
Jime Mukonyezi ohireyo eshagama nagirangu ekinte eki nikiba kiri kirungi kwena n'abandi bantu nabo babase kubareberaho rero bagumene bahayo eshagama.
So I call upon all Ugandans where you are that the Bunyoro blood bank is finally, it was kind of open, authorized that on incoming or on food going donors.
Gasha kwa Gada Saba aha Sky TV.